Everyone, back to our cousins.
Welcome back
channel.
to the Mighties.
The Mighty's channel.
Yep. Hi.
This is Zaskia.
Hi.
And my name is Blessy.
Okay.
And this is my baby cousin. What's your name?
Madison Hope. Fernanda, 3 years old.
Yeah. This is my older cousin. She doesn't want to show her face. Okay. This is my sister.
My bestie, your bestie, sitting by the fire.
The oldest. But my uncle is older. So I'm gonna show you one of my our chickens. So chickens can be. That's my chick. Those are the chicks. Those are the chicks. That one. Those.
Okay. So I grab a leaf. Let's see if this chicken will eat it. No, it won't.
Now I'm gonna show you that is Sen. Oh my gosh. I was scared. That is one of the scariest chickens of me. That is my scared. I'm really scared of that chicken. It chases us whenever we go close to it. And when we run. And when we run. Maddy! Good job! She locked it. So these chickens were outside the cage and they used to stay in that cage. And Maddy locked it. Say cheese.
Say cheese.
How about her other baby? Oh, her other baby.
The other baby.
Come here. Okay, I'm gonna show you my other chickens. So
It's not your chicken.
this is one of the chickens. Oh, this is rooster. This is a rooster, I think. And there was a baby chicken there. He ate it. I mean, like he was like, poop. And then the chicken, the baby chick died. Cause I don't know. But my uncle tried to blow the mouth like this, and then like that. But he kept on doing it, but it was not. It kept opening his eyes, but it died. Sad. I made a R.I.P. R.I.P. What do you call that? Grave. A grave. These are one of the cute chickens. I used to touch these chickens because they got out from their cage, and the mama was still, one of the baby chicks got out from like that hole. So they were like small and they could fit in that hole right there. This rock was out, I think, and then they got out and then they were just finding a way to go back inside. So it was hard for me to do one chicken. It was so hard to catch, but my uncle helped me. So I'm gonna let this chicken eat first so I can touch it and show you guys. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. Come here. My gosh. It's afraid of me. Why is it afraid of me? Oh, look at that baby. While I'm trying to let it eat, I'm going to show you one of my other chickens.
How do we do it?
This. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So, I like that chicken. Her mom died and her siblings. She's the only one. Oh, she's coming to me. You wanna go to me? Aww. It's okay. I just fed the chickens like a few minutes ago. And that is my rooster right there. That is a rooster right there. A big, big rooster right there. I give it some water and it drinks. Oh, this is like, I hope she get babies. I think her baby's died. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah. Next we have these cute mama that just gave birth. So those are our babies. That one, like that. That one. Just gave birth, the mama, and 2 of her eggs got stepped on, so I don't know if it's still alive, but this is the family. Hold on. I think she has like 16 chicks. Yeah, I think she has 6. She has 16. Zaskia, careful, that chicken eats you. So.
This is a nice thing.
So yes. How do we get that chicken? Okay. Oh, come here, baby chicken. Oh my gosh, I almost grabbed it. Oh, I almost grabbed it. Come here. Why? Wait. How about a volcano? How about a
Where's the
volcano?
ball? Do that ball.
But this chicken. You guys, because here comes the siren. I don't know why that siren keeps doing that every day, single day. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. Okay, guys, so we're just making this. Making mud.
We're saving them from water.
Guys, we need to fill up dirt in this bottle, okay? Go fill up some dirt.
So let's make the dirt.
No, I need... No. Oh, yeah, sure. Give me some dirt of this. Son, give me some dirt of this. Wait, save some water. Don't... Save... Okay, guys. I'm just gonna put some... Wait, I don't think we should do this. This is for the chickens.
No, it's not.
Then why didn't you tell us to?
Oh my god.
Take it out. Take it out.
Yeah. Maddie, take it out. Take the dirt out.
Take this pony out.
Wait, give me...
It wasn't
Give
even
me
invited
water.
to
Give me...
go
No.
here.
Give me water. Put some water here.
What that? What?
Give me some... Wash my hands first. Just a little. Okay, now...
My shoes.
And I'll give me...
I'll play with this one.
Oh my gosh, why am I so dirty? That's your problem. Why were you invited?
A girl just
Wait, don't.
invited.
Okay. Now, after that, guys, we're gonna say bye. Bye! Go Mighties!